If you took a break from language learning over the summer, then this is for you. Let's start with the bad news. The bad news is you've likely forgotten a lot of what you've learned. Because language works on a use it or lose it basis, which is not great if you actually want to learn. The good news? We're running our Back to School, Back to Language free giveaway just for people who took a break and want to come back. We're giving you free access to our Back to Language 50 lesson pack. That'll teach you over 900 plus words and phrases through illustrated lessons that you can glance through in just minutes. Perfect for busy adults. But this resource is only available until September 26th. So click the link and sign up for a free lifetime account right now to get it. In just a few lessons, you'll learn how to introduce yourself, ask basic questions, talk about yourself, your hobbies, and much more. You can even print and use it as a textbook. The catch? First, this lesson pack is only useful for learners who want to start again at the beginner level, not for experienced learners. And second, if you miss out, we won't open it back up again. So, if you took a break from language learning and want to get back, get our free Back to Language 50 lesson pack before September 26th. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account right now.